Ever pondered over the question, what makes communication effective? Is it the words we use or the way we use them? Or perhaps it's something far more complex? Communication, in its essence, is a two-way process of exchanging information. It's more than just words. It's the tone, the body language, the context, and the emotions behind those words. It's the way the message is delivered and received that determines its effectiveness. It's a dance, a delicate balance of give and take. But what happens when one side of the equation changes drastically? When the communicator isn't a fellow human, but an artificial intelligence? How does AI communicate, and how can we ensure it's effective? AI communicates much like we do, with a few key differences. Instead of vocal cords and facial expressions, AI uses algorithms and data sets. It learns from data inputs and uses this information to formulate responses. It can't feel emotions, but it can mimic them based on its programming. Think of it like a game of chess. Each move is calculated, each response is based on the previous move. AI doesn't communicate randomly, it communicates strategically. It's a fascinating dance of logic and algorithms. But how do we ensure this form of communication is effective? Well, it comes down to three key factors: clarity, consistency, and context. Clarity is the cornerstone of effective communication. For AI, this means clear and concise responses, no jargon, no ambiguity, just straight to the point information. Consistency is equally important. Consistent responses build trust and understanding. For AI, this means sticking to its programming and delivering reliable information. Lastly, context. Understanding the context of a conversation is crucial for effective communication. For AI, this means using its data inputs to understand and respond appropriately to the situation. So, to recap, communication is a complex process of exchanging information. It's more than just words. It's the tone, the body language, the context, and the emotions behind those words. But when it comes to AI, it's a game of chess. It's a dance of algorithms and data inputs. Effective communication, whether human or AI, relies on three key factors: clarity, consistency, and context. And while AI may not have human emotions or body language, it does have the power of data and algorithms. And that, in its own way, makes it a fascinating communicator. Remember, communication is not just about talking, it's about understanding. And whether it's a conversation with a fellow human or a chat with an AI, the goal is always the same: to understand and be understood. Until next time, keep communicating, keep learning, and keep exploring the fascinating world of AI.